Back in the summer, while having my morning cup of coffee, I looked through the bulb catalog, made a rough list, jumped online, placed my official order. Guess what? My bulbs are here. Yes, honey. Yes to the gods. Yes. Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. So it's a beautiful fall day out, and today we're going to be planting up some tulip bulbs. So my bulbs arrived a couple of days ago. I went in and I opened them up. Now, rule of thumb, as soon as you get your bulbs, you want to make sure that you go in, you unpackage your bulbs, you inspect them, because you only have a certain amount of time to return them to whoever sent you the bulbs. So it's in the 60s and it's supposed to rain in a few hours. I'm going to finish drinking my blonde coffee. I'm going to go ahead and start planting these bulbs. Let's get to it. Perfection. My bulbs that I'm going to be planting, you want to use some type of bulb tone. I like to make sure I have all of my supplies in nearby reach. I also like to make sure I get my bags of tulips open, and that way I can easily plant them, because when I plant bulbs, I like to get this job done quickly. It's one of my favorite chores in the fall. If I notice that the dirt is like clay, I'll go ahead. You see this? This dirt is clay and it holds together. Well, this is going to hold moisture into those bulbs, and I don't need that. So I'm getting ready to go ahead, put my bulb tone down, and I'm going to start planting my tulip bulbs. You want to make sure that you have everything mixed in. I like to remove any type of large clumps out of the area that I'll be working in with my tulips. Now, looks like I have it evenly spread, maybe just a little bit more in this area. So I'll go ahead, put that down and mix that in. Now, time for my favorite part. And what I like to do is I just take the bulbs and I just pour them all in. That way I can go ahead and just have them easily ready when I need to go ahead and put them in this place, and it makes planting tulips effortless. Now, when you plant your bulbs, you want to plant your bulb with the Hershey's Kiss side up. This is the basal plate. You set that down in your soil like this. If you can't figure out which way to plant your bulb, then what you want to do is you want to plant your bulb laying on its side, and geotropism will help the bulb find the correct way to the light. Make sure you don't plant your bulb like this, upside down. Make sure you plant it up. If you can't figure it out, then you plant it on the side. Ended up working late into the night, so I like to try to knock things out, and I definitely did not want this project to span over a couple of days. I got my bulbs planted, everything's in the ground. Yes, the sun went down before we had the opportunity to finish, but that's not going to stop me. Honey, I brought out flashlights and I did what I had to do to get those bulbs in the ground. The hardest part now is waiting for them to bloom. That is the hardest part about planting bulbs, is waiting over the winter for your bulbs to come out and give you a luxurious show on the springtime. I'm very excited and I'm on pins and needles. You guys, let me know, are you planting bulbs this year? Are you doing bulbs in containers? Or have you just wiped up your season for the year? If you guys have any questions about my process, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. As always, I'll be showing you pictures later.